Hey guys, Bug Out Boy here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to start a fire using a fire steel. Okay, so first you need a safe place to make the fire. Next, you need a fire steel. You're also going to need something sharp. And some dry materials. I like using newspaper and pencil sharpenings. Okay, so now you're going to scrape the magnesium off of the fire steel onto whatever you're setting on fire. The magnesium is the bigger part. And after you're done with that, you should have a pile that is about this big. And now I'm going to put some pencil sharpenings on top of that pile. And next you're going to scrape the smaller part, which is the flint. Okay, and there's the fire. And it helps if you blow on it a little bit. And if you want, you can add some more pencil sharpenings on top. Okay guys, sorry about the lighting, it got kind of dark, but yeah, that's how you start a fire, and thank you for watching.